This is a prototype incubator for babies. This is a couple that have two sensors. This sensor is the LM35, that is a linear sensor of temperature. And here is the H is 1101, that is a capacitor that works as a humidity relative sensor. And in this part we have a wall resistor that controls the humidity, and here
is the environment
resistor, and have two ventilators for control the flow flow in this part of the incubator.
Okay, yeah. This is the prototype of the incubator. This is the part of the circuit of the control that the temperature and humidity that is something the baby. And this part is the M35. This is the sensor of the temperature. The principal characteristic of this is his linear. He is a linear sensor. In this part is the circuit of the control of the humidity, the conditionment of this is the NI555. And this is the AC voltage. The resistor of the humidity have control the PWM and the octocouplet and the triac. And the resistor of the environment has a solid relay. And this is the control, the Arduino One. And in this part, see the tips that the control of the ventilator. Incubator. This is the temperature and this is the humidity. The sensor of the humidity have the internal of the code. The selection is temperature. The humidity in this is the 50%, and the temperature is increased. The selection is the 37 grade, and the alarm is the low temperature. And this is the humidity low, that the humidity is stable. So this is the temperature of the multimeter. It's 38 and have a 30. And have a 36 degree. So the neonatal incubator. In this part, you can see the code of the control. In the variables, the control. Input or output, the variables in the internal of the code, the assignation of the pin mode or the mode of the pin, the communication setup is the 9600 baudios, and this is the labels. The control. This is the menu of the incubator. This is the read of the sensors, and this is the read of the sensor, the temperature sensor, the control of the temperature sensor, and this is the control of the humidity. The humidity, the function of the humidity is according to the frequency that have the circuit integrate, and this is the control of the the humidity, and this is the print of the variable so and the value, and this is the control that the door of the incubator. This is the off of the incubator if the case of the open the incubator. This is the menu. Okay, the selection of the temperature control or the humidity. In this case, the control is the temperature and put the one input and select the value, the seven values. The value that is the 35, and this is the the temperature because this. Okay, now 2 1 2. Wait, and the.
Quítese, vale.
Apáguelo un momento.
No, sabes, pero lo recortamos.
Okay, and this is the function. Espera que se está voltando mucho.
400, espérate un segundo. ¿Estás conectada? ¿Está bien conectada la de esta?
Sí, apáguelo un momento.